Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janaliza, and yeah, so today's vlog is I'm gonna experiment my 360 Go Ultra that I'm charging right now. I'm gonna experiment how to use it and how I gonna be creative with that camera. And of course, I'm gonna try all the filter, what it suits me, what kind of vlog that I want to do with this camera, because DJ Pocket 3 is kind of sensitive and natatakot ako baka mahulog, and like you need to be more cautious with this camera. I would like to try like more different frame or like be creative with my vlog, so that's why I bought this freaking camera, because I can do like POV shots easily, and of course with different angle that I want. And yeah, and of course it's waterproof, so I can create more stuff with that camera for its Insta360 Go Ultra. So we're gonna try that camera, we're gonna experiment that, and of course in this vlog, of course there's another one. I'm gonna change my color, my hair color. So basically I dyed it like a year ago brown, like light brown, and now I'm having like umano na yung buhok ko, and you can see my natural color, like you can see literally. So I'm gonna dye it back like black hair. So yeah, you're gonna come with me guys. Woo! I'm drying the filter right now. So this is the standard one. I think I like this one. Like it gives more color, and I like how capture all the color. And so this is the filter glow. I like this one too, but I like the other one because it gives more color than this one. This one is selfie, the filter selfie. I like this one. I don't know, girl. I don't know. It's kind of pretty, like vivid. I like this one too, but it's kind of more dark. Ang cute niya. I like this one too. This filter is NC film, but it's not for me. One in picture is NC2 film. Cutie, but I prefer the vivid one. The NC2 film is kind of more black, more dark. So this one is CC film. It's more like orange, I think. I don't know. This is the last one, CC2. This one is CC2 film. Ang cute din ito. This one, like it's kind of cutie. I don't like it. Girl, aba, tingnan mo. Kita niyo ako guys. So basically, inano ko ito, linagay ko ng magnet para may angle ako that I want to have sa ano, and I'm gonna touch it. Diba? Like different, it's more pababa siya. Diba? Galing diba? So yeah. Gonna use this one. I'm gonna get this one because I'm gonna get this one kasi costa meno. Yes. I'm back. So basically, I'm gonna do my hair.
One eternity later.
This is my hair right now, guys. And what happened? I ruined my...
So what would your parents do? Yeah, sad.
I just ruined my pants that I just bought.
This is definitely a 7 out of 3.
Oh my god, I look like a Mega Man.
One eternity later.
I testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry was getting through. I'm not long if you do.
Okay. This is the last one. So right now I'm editing my video. So for the filter, I think I'm gonna use more vivid because I thought the soft one is kind of cute, but it's too blind. But the vivid one is giving. So I think I'm gonna use vivid. And let's see. I like my hair. So having both camera is great because this one is more like having great quality and soprattutto in gimbal. But this one, I can be creative with this one. So basically, I'm gonna use this camera just for, you know, if I'm gonna speak or gonna film myself. But with the different angle, I'm gonna use this camera like every angle that I want. Is upside down. So I'm gonna use it like this if I'm gonna record myself. Yeah, I'm gonna frame it like this because it's great. That's it, guys. Bye.